Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. I have something special for you, this beautiful 2015 Infiniti Q60 Coupe that we have for sale. This is actually the last year of this generation of the Q60. It's a little confusing, but it actually started off as a G37 Coupe. Infiniti confused a lot of people in 2014. They revamped all their model names, and the G37 Coupe became the Q60. Not to be confused with the completely redesigned 2017 Q60. So this generation went from 2008, when it was the G37, and it went all the way to 2015, where it was called the Q60 for the last couple of years. Then they skipped the model year, and for 2017 they went to the completely redesigned Q60 Coupe, which is a beautiful automobile. If you really wanted one of these G37 / particular generation Q60s, this is a very, very clean example. Beautiful shape inside and out. Two previous owners. It's a clean Carfax vehicle from sunny California, and it is in really, really nice shape. In fact, it's probably one of the nicer older generation Q60 / G37s I've seen in quite a while. One of my favorite color combinations, the beautiful Hagane blue on beautiful stone leather. This has a sport package, so it has a little bit extra sporty hardware, extra bolstering in the seats to hold you in place during performance driving, aluminum pedals, you get steering wheel paddle shifters. This one has heated and power front seats, a 7-speed automatic transmission. We have a moonroof. We have a Bose sound system, a dual zone auto climate control. We all love that traditional Infiniti analog clock. This one has a navigation package. It also has a rear parking camera. It has a universal garage door opener, an automatic dimming mirror. Here we have a power adjustable steering wheel that tilts and telescopes, and one cool feature, unfortunately this didn't make it to the redesigned Q60, notice the whole tilt gauge cluster. The whole gauge cluster goes up and down the steering wheel, so the steering wheel will never obstruct the gauges. Really cool design. Infiniti and a few Nissan products is really the only vehicles I've seen this cool feature on. Unfortunately, they dropped it on the Infinitis, a few of most of the newer ones. So really cool feature. I have that feature still in my 05 G35. Really nice clean interior. Stone's not an easy color to take care of being lighter, but it looks like it's held up pretty nice over the years. Then look at this beautiful shade of Hagane blue. Hagane means steel in Japanese. It's a steel blue, fitting for a vehicle that's actually made in Japan. Also, the sport package, you get these upgraded 19-inch sport wheels, you get a sport tuned suspension, a viscous limited slip differential, and you get sport brakes. The Q60 / G37 is built on the same platform as the Nissan 370Z sports car. So it has a lot of sports car DNA baked into it, built on the advanced front midship platform. They take the engine and they place it as far back behind the front axle as possible, so the center of gravity is towards the middle of the vehicle. That helps the vehicle rotate on its axis and improves the handling and feel through the corners. And one of the best aspects of the G37 is the 3.7 liter V6. This engine didn't make its way to the new Q60. That is a new VR30 twin turbo V6, kind of based on the VQ design. A lot of people like these older VQ engines. They have a really great reputation for reliability. I've been with Infiniti 17 years. I've seen these engines go 200 and 300,000 miles. Really an amazing engine. My 05 G35 has a variation of this engine. And we still use variations of these engines on brand new 2022 and 21 Infinitis. 330 horsepower, maintenance-free timing chains. First major tune-up's not until 105,000 miles. You'll also notice that you have a little bit more of aggressive front fascia with the sport package for a little bit more of an aggressive look. It really is a beautiful, timeless design. I think the Q60 / G37 will definitely go down as a future classic. It's a very, very popular vehicle. A lot of car enthusiasts love these automobiles. And they're also very reliable. As I mentioned, they're built in Japan, and the engines, I've seen them go 200, 300,000 miles. I've been with Infiniti close to 17 years. I've seen a lot of these things come in trade. I've seen a lot of these vehicles in for service with well over 200,000 miles still running strong. So if you're looking for a beautiful Japanese-made sport luxury coupe that's going to last a long time, it's going to be a good, reliable vehicle, offer great performance and driving dynamics, this Q60 is definitely a great choice. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we'll see you soon, and have a wonderful day.